Building strong connections. As we have discussed in the first video, that rapport is a term denoting a close and harmonious connection between individuals, marked by trust, empathy, active listening, and nonverbal communication. Trust forms its core, founded on genuine intentions. Empathy involves understanding and acknowledging others' emotions. Active listening demonstrates genuine interest through attentive questioning. Nonverbal cues, like body language and tone of voice, enhance rapport. Now let's discuss the importance of rapport building. Rapport building is the cornerstone of effective communication. It fosters trust and mutual understanding. It helps in resolving conflicts and disagreements. Building rapport enhances teamwork and collaboration. It reduces misunderstandings and miscommunications. Building rapport is crucial for leadership and management. It enhances job satisfaction and employee engagement. It aids in building a strong personal support network. It boosts self-confidence in social situations. Building rapport is crucial in healthcare and therapy. It enhances the student-teacher relationship. It is vital in the realm of networking and social events.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.